our dashboard. This is our dashboard. This is a front page of our software where you will get weekly expiry, monthly expiry, everything you have to set by yourself. This is a Nifty 50, Nifty spots, Bank Nifty spots, where you have to update, where you will get all updates. If you want to turn on the live trading, you have to turn on here. If it is you want to trade live trading or with algo trading, you have to turn on this parameter. Okay, now let's go for our market watch. This is a market watch where you can get the levels of opening and high closes. Safe entry, this will update when the market is open. These are breakout levels where our level work almost 80 to 90% accuracy is there. Don't believe that this levels will work for totally 100%. This is not a holy grail software where it will work for 100%. Sometimes it get confused. We have to have a little patience to use this. Breakout strategy, this is called the most important strategies in our website, in our software. This is a breakout strategy. As you can see here, our breakout strategy is open. This is RTP levels. This is the one of the strategy. Weekly RTP levels and weekly safe entries. Now let's go for breakout strategies, where you can see here stocks. These are stocks of July, August and September. Stock in futures. Here you can see here the buy activity, buy is generated here. In this, buy active is generated, buy active calls, and you can see here M2M points of 61, 63 and 90, 69, sorry. Here you can see Nifty buy active is generated here. With the points you can see here M2M. Later on you can see a put option here, and here you can see the call options. Okay, now let's compare how our Nifty 50 is worked today. Only Nifty will see how Nifty 50 is worked today. Its buy level was generated here from 24,423.90. Let's watch this in the trading view how it is. 24,423. Let's put this is a buy level generated. Let's change the color. Buy for the green. Here you can see our buy is generated from here 423, and market went up to 24,587.15. Okay, now this is how our Nifty is worked today. This is a 15 minutes chat where I have loaded. Let's make it for 5 minutes. You can see here for 5 minutes chat. See how a market went up. Okay, next let's see our sell level today. Sell level now. Nifty 50 sell is generated from 24,331. 24,331. You can see here 24,331. Our sell level is generated here on 24,331. We'll give sell for red. As you can see here, or green line call for buy level and red line for sell. You can see here our software is showing today in Nifty 50 buy level is generated here. As you can see 24,233 buy level is generated. You can see here our market went up after reaching a buy level here from 24,421, 23 something, and market went up. This is how our breakout strategy works. If you want to call or if you want to have any free demo on it, please call 855-302-9884. 855-302-9884. Thank you. Have a nice day and have a happy weekend. Thank you.